Good day, everybody. My name is Michel Beaulieu. I'm the owner of Atlantic Ad Solution, and I'm going to present Lumion to you here today. And we're going to talk about how it helps to improve your visualization. And apparently the clicker is not working. There we go. Lumion started in 2010, and it's been gaining market shares ever since. The tipping point for Lumion was in 2014 when it was announced that 37 of the top 100 world architectural firms were using Lumion. And a short 12 months after that, that number grew to 51. What makes Lumion really easy to use is the extremely simple user interface. Basically, two short menus on each side. Each menu only has 4 buttons. Depending on which button you click, there's a small horizontal dashboard that shows up. Basically, if you can move a slider left and right, or you can drag and drop an object, you're a Lumion expert. Keep pointing to the wrong place. All right, let's talk about the speed of Lumion. Lumion version 4 is basically would render a high-resolution image in less than 5 seconds. Version 5 is actually twice as fast for the same image. Lumion's so fast, in fact, that your building environment inside of Lumion is actually a real-time rendered image all the time. So there's no guesswork when you're playing around with lights or materials. It's so fast, it even has built-in batch routines for photo sets, if you're doing photo sets. Try that again. And it has a built-in workflow for BIM as well. It has built-in plugins for Revit, ArchiCAD, and it reads it reads SketchUp files directly. Of course, you can import 3ds Max and other file formats as well. The beauty is, if you create your model in Revit, ArchiCAD, or SketchUp, you can make modifications to your model, re-import it into Lumion without having to redo any work, reapply any material. Everything is automatic. I'm having a problem with the slides. And it has a built-in content library as well. It's got over 2,700 different 2D and 3D objects that's built in. These objects know how to move, create, manipulate themselves. You don't need to teach it anything. If you add the special effects, that number grows to over 3,000 objects. Now, what you're seeing here on the video is basically population being created on the fly. Let's try this again. There we go. Talking about special effects, it's got sun studies built in, it's got watercolor effects. If you want to do fountains with water that's running, that's built in. You don't have to buy any special plugins or scripts. This is all plugged in content that works right out of the box. Falling leaves and so on. What's really nice about Lumion, no special hardware is required. I'm actually running it in my booth on a laptop. And to best sum it up, I give you John Goldwyn, Vice President of WATG London.
What's very interesting about Lumion is that everyone on the team uses it. I'm a vice president of this firm, and I use it on a daily basis instead of sketching these days, or I should say as well as sketching. I've been very keen that my team understands that it's as much a tool for sketching and understanding broad ideas as it is for actually executing detailed phases of a project or understanding detailed phases of a project. The importance of Lumion is that it brings the notion of visualization and photorealistic representation of projects to every designer that works in an office. Rather than it being a specialist item that only certain technical minds can master, it's something where everyone can just get involved in the model and they can actually have their say in the design. It's actually a very democratic thing. It doesn't mean that ideas are translated from one person to another and then visualized. It just means that you take your ideas and you bring them straight into the software.
And on closing, we're on booth 28th, and we're actually having a show special for the trade show, so please come and see us. Thank you for your time.